Hi, this is Dominic from Dominic Extreme, and today I'm going to be making a video with my sister Ashley, and I've kind of unboxed it a little, but Christmas Day is only one day away, and I hope you guys get all the presents you want, but if you could hear my sister's loud obnoxious chewing, you'll know she's here. But I've kind of unboxed it a little, but it's some Skylanders minis and traps. And why don't you say hi, Ash?
Hi, guys.
So, I'll show you all of them. Ash. So, Ash, I did. So, here's Spry and Mini Genie. I actually kind of unboxed it in the car. So, yeah. And here's the tech trap.
The air trap. And the earth trap.
And now
which you can all find in Toys R Us or any of your stores you go to. I'm pretty sure they will have them.
And yeah, so I'm going to be making videos about these on some Skylanders Trap Team Let's Play, but I'm over here at my dad's and I have to wait till I go back with my mom on Sunday. So you ready to unbox?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this is a little weird. Okay.
You can fast forward it. They don't, oh.
Man, Mini Genie is small. Okay.
And just like the other stuff like that.
Okay.
These are so good. Try one.
Sorry, my sister's eating chips. I have to do this while I'm making a video, don't I?
What is that? Chips. Tortilla chips. Okay, guys.
I'm still unboxing the trap.
We'll talk then. Okay, guys, so we just unboxed everything. So, yeah.
So here's the air trap. It's nice and light blue. It looks like someone's screaming and sticking their tongue out. It has the air symbol on it. So now all I need is the magic trap to complete the set and the chaos trap. So, and over here is the tech trap with the hand. It's nice and light orange or yellowish, I think.
And this trap's the earth trap, sorry. And it kind of looks like a bird just having its wings out. So yeah, and you take this.
So you take. So over here is Spry, the cute little mini. We're going to be playing this in Skylanders Trap Team. And here's his stats. Spry, his fifth thing is 70, his shield is 60, his speed is 120, and his luck is 100. And here's the card. I'm going to give away a code. First couple people enjoy. Now it's your turn, Ash.
Okay, this is
Mini Genie.
Okay, this one's a Mini Genie. They're pretty small, but they work. Here's a code. I don't know how to read any of these, so here, just there, and I will post. Well, we will post pictures and stuff so you guys can get a better view. And After he shows us, I will give away the code.
So, like it was for Spry, Fist is 40, Shield is 70, Speed 130, and Luck 130.
That's 50, not 70.
Oh, sorry, that was the Shield was 50. Sorry, guys.
Yeah. And here's a free code. We will post pictures of it, so if you can't get it right now, that's okay.
And yeah, guys, so we'll just give you another quick preview. So you hold that trap. And here are the codes again, in case you didn't see it. Oh yeah, we forgot to hold up Mini Genie.
Yeah, but we're going to post pictures at the end.
Yep. And yeah, guys, that was me and my sister Skylanders Trap Team Epic Unboxing. And if you guys want to see some more Skylanders Trap Team Unboxing, leave a comment down below. Please like and subscribe. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye!